So here we are, we're into September. So the latest update for you on how to set up jailbreak your Fire Stick. We know it's not really jailbreak, but that's a huge search term. And the more people who search that, the more we can help out. So we use that term on here. We know it's mainly side loading onto a Fire Stick. And many of you think side loading will stop. It's very unlikely to ever stop. And this is the latest update. So if you follow all these steps, we will show you how to load your Fire Stick with what you want on your device. And yes, we keep everything as free as possible here. So, first thing you're going to do is you're going to hit that follow button. You're going to check out my channel because we've got all your other videos, whether it's streaming, whether it's sports, whether it's movies, all in one place. So hit that follow button if you're new here. It is free, as always. Regular watchers, do watch till the end if you can. New watchers, watch till the end because there's many steps in this which will help you out. Okay, first things first, I would recommend, if you have one, is turn your VPN on. Before you do anything online, you should be doing that anyway. Anyone who needs a VPN, there's some linked underneath, but I will obviously mention them a bit more at the end of the video. So, on your Fire TV device, on your Fire Stick, make sure it's fully up to date. Then, you're going to go to the magnifying glass, search, and you're going to type in here Downloader. Downloader is a web browser, and we type it in, we search it, and it loads up, and then we install it, but we don't open it. So when you click it, let it download, but don't open it yet, okay? If yours is still downloading, just pause this video. For everybody else, hit that home button, okay? On your remote. So back to your home screen. From here, we go all the way to our settings. You can either go left or right, it doesn't matter. But the settings icon is at the end here. Once you get to settings, go down to My Fire TV. Once in here, you need developer options. If you don't have developer options, I'll link a video in the description on how to get developer options. Okay, so go and watch that video, get your developer options, come back and watch this video. So it's worth making sure you are subscribed. Open up your developer options. You must turn ADB debugging on. Install unknown apps. You need to turn it on for downloader, okay? Make sure it's turned on for downloader. Perfect. Once you've done those steps, if you got confused at any point, re-watch the video because it does make sense. Okay. Now you need to find your downloader app. You can either search it again or it will be in your app section, which is here. So go down to My Apps and locate downloader in here. Big orange icon, says downloader on it. You can't really miss it. And then now we can click and open it. As it opens, it's very important to accept any pop-up saying accept permissions, because if you deny those permissions, this will not work. This application needs access to your files and your media. That's how it will download apps. If it doesn't have access to your files, it can't save anything it downloads. Okay, then in here, you're going to enter a URL or search term. You can enter 75726. Okay. 75726 goes to my website. Another one you can enter is you can just type docsquiffy.com/downloads. If that doesn't work, they are both written underneath in the description, and I'll make sure it's in the pinned comment for you as well. Hit go. While that's loading, and while we're waiting for it to load my website, this is the prime time that you can hit that thumbs up button. Drop me a comment, your thoughts on the video. Hit that follow button if you haven't already for free. Okay, once on my website, this is where we just have to follow through. It's quite easy. So all you need to do is scroll down, and we're going to go down to app stores, okay? In here, we've got a few different app stores. The best one for you will be APK Time. That one's updated regularly with the apps you may require. Aptoid is also another one, but APK Time, we're going to demonstrate with that. You click it. If an advert does pop up, just click on the cross and close that advert down. Then all you have to do is scroll down to the massive grey download button. It's that simple. Really easily, really simple, and you've done it now. You'll get the option to install. Once installed, just click on Done and delete. Okay, you don't need that downloaded file once it's installed. That will keep your storage a bit more open so you've got a bit more space on it. Okay, push your home button. And then back to your app section again, the three squares and the plus. In My Apps, you will find the store we just downloaded looks like a clock, okay? Like I'm demonstrating on screen now. I won't open it on screen because different countries have different laws on which apps you're allowed to use. So within this application, there is sections for your movies, your latest apps, updated apps, even an adult section. A couple have codes on them. If you need the codes, just comment underneath and we will let you know the codes. Someone will jump on. Many people in the comments know them. I can give you the codes if I see your comment as well. So comment and ask underneath if you need that code for those certain sections. So comment them underneath and hit that thumbs up. Again, do check the licensing laws in your country and what you're allowed to download, what you're allowed to use, because it does change around the world on who has the rights to what and what in there. But that application store is full of everything you need. Brilliant. So once that's done, you will have that all installed on your device. It's worth going back to your settings. Go to My Fire TV again. Click on your developer options. You can turn the ADB debugging back off now, and install unknown apps. You need to turn it back. You need to turn it on for that APK time. That means that APK time can install those applications from within that app store as well, and then you will be able to install everything you need, and everything should work. Again, if at any point in this video you got lost, just go back to the video and watch it again. It's a free video. No one's charging you to watch this. This is just free tips, guides, and help. Okay, educational video to try and help you get what you want from the internet and your streaming device, which on this example is a Fire TV stick or a Fire Stick. But that application will work on mobile phones and other streaming devices as well. Brilliant. So obviously you know my channel by now, Doc Squiffy. You've just been watching it. We're closing in on 600 and however many thousand followers. So come and join the community for free. And if you were after a VPN, we did mention at the beginning it's very worthwhile turning yours on. I have mine on when I'm online because it hides my logs. So whatever I'm doing online, people can't sell those logs to other companies, so they're not advertising to me. Advanced encryption keeps my data safe, and you can use it as much as you want. The good thing about IP Vanish is you can use it on as many devices as you want from one account. So you only pay once and then you get it. But that's if you're after a VPN. I'll link that underneath for you as well. There's 3 VPNs under there. There's IP Vanish, which is the main one I recommend. There is NordVPN under there as well, which is another option if you're not an IP Vanish fan. And there's also a Ward VPN, which is a free VPN. It's not going to be as good as these paid ones, but it's the only reliable free one that I would recommend to any of you to use. Brilliant. So I've been Doc Squiffy. Thank you all for watching. I hope you liked that video. Hope you enjoy that one. Remember to hit that follow button. We'll update you every other day with streaming stuff, if not every day. Some videos you may like, some you may not. But hit that follow button. Be nice with the comments if you can. If not, show me the hate. I get used to it. Hit that follow button, and I'll see you soon.